Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. Billy here again. Today is January 20th. A couple days since I've been back from Japan, and we're still doing car stuff. So we gotta go meet our friend real quick. He's familiar with the vlogs. I'm pretty sure you'll know him. If you don't watch the vlogs, then you'll meet him again. So let's go ahead and meet up with him. All right, let's go. Daddy, welcome back to America.
Welcome back to America. America, love you,
America, Mexican food, internet.
Mexico.
Oh,
What's up, dude? It's me, I'm back from America.
So that was Eric we're supposed to meet up with. But we're gonna see some nice things here and do some cool things at the SUPERSTREET meet. Truck from JER Development, and what's cool about it is that it's a mini truck. It's like a Mini Cooper that's a little truck, but the twist is it has a K20 motor in it, which is insane. It's a lot of power for this little thing. Okay, right now, super cool. We're actually taking two cars to the SUPERSTREET meet. We're taking the mini truck and then we're taking the Celica. We are going to the SUPERSTREET meet. We're gonna check it out and see all the cool cars. Show you guys a good time. You ready for the SUPERSTREET meet, Eric?
Ready for the SUPERSTREET as always. I've always been going to this for years, and you know I'm always ready for another one.
Now I'm following the mini truck to get the Celica. Look! Mini truck! Okay, so right now, right behind me is the Celica. I've been given the honor to drive the Celica to the meet. Thank you so much, Lynn from JER. Really appreciate it. Future employment, get ready. But check this thing out, looks nice. All right, here we go. Finally made it to the SUPERSTREET meet. A little late, it's okay. Came in style with the mini truck as well.
Everybody works at it.
Yeah, this one's 67.
There's nobody in this big one.
It's left-hand drive too.
Did you? They come right-hand drive.
Welcome to the meet. Okay, this guy right here with the Ronin, filming the little mini truck. Okay, don't forget to go follow him. His name is Kiky Vision at youtube.com. So go ahead and follow him. He's gonna put out good content. Let's check it out. Artist that work here. Simply amazing. He's drawing this car. Right on, brother. Do your thing. So right now I'm following the crowd because everybody heard loud fireworks when actually it's exhaust shooting flames, and everybody is just attracted to it. Take a look. So right there, we just experienced 4th of July fireworks. It was a firework competition between the BMW and a 370Z. I think the BMW took that one. That BMW was beast. Had the exhaust coming out from the front, right off the turbo, and then it was just louder. Insane. Hopefully you get some cool shots with fire on it.
I'm Walter SUK. Follow. Give these guys a follow. They have badass builds. You gotta look for yourself, man.
TOYO, come back. Okay, so here at the TOYO meet, here at the TOYO and Super Street meet, so far a lot of people are being a little bit reckless and revving the cars and driving kind of fast. So I'm gonna call that a wrap about the meet. The meet was cool. We was only here for a little bit. Not too bad. Nothing wrong with that. But it seemed like a good turnout if you had came really early. It's really nice. A lot of loud cars around us, guys. A lot of loud cars. On that note, today was excellent. Super Street meet was cool. Should have got there a little earlier, but it's okay. We still saw a lot of good cars, a lot of action, a lot of stupidity. Yes, it's okay though, but it was fun overall. More meets to come your way. I love automotive vlogging and stuff. It's really cool. I'm into different types of vlogging style. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Alright, if you like that video, go ahead and smash that like button, give it a thumbs up. If you want to go ahead and comment down below, have any comments or have any questions about the video, go ahead and leave that down below. I'll go ahead and answer it right away for you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, hit that subscribe button so you're subscribed to our channel. You'll know when I post another video. And what also helps is hitting that notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you get notified when I post another video, which is going to be awesome. So you'll be updated with my footage. So thank you so much again, everybody. Really appreciate it. Alright, Billbot fam, you're the best. Okay, we'll see you soon. Alright, we'll see you in the next one. Okay, later. Bye.